Today I have a 2013 Subaru Outback. This vehicle, the beep is not working, but all the other buttons are working. And on this side, all these buttons are working, but only the beep is not working. Let's check it out and find out what the problem is. First, what I did was I checked the fuses over here. This is the fuse box. If you open this, and then this goes to the front, and this fuse, the center one, let me focus on it. The center one and this one and also this relay is belong to the horn. I did change them and check them. It was not the fuse, so my next suspicion is the clock spring. To remove and replace the clock spring, we're gonna unplug the negative terminal of the battery because we're gonna unplug the airbags, and it's a good idea to unplug our battery. So coming inside the car, there is one hole over here, one on this side and one right under. So we're gonna remove the airbag, this one. There is a pin inside that we have to push the pin to release this airbag. Okay, I already took off the airbag, and if you see this pin right here, you gotta push it this way. It's gonna release one over here and one right over here. And now we're gonna disconnect these wires over here. This one is the horn wire, and these two are the airbag wires. I'll disconnect them. Okay, we're gonna disconnect this wire as well. This one. Okay. Now we're gonna open this nut over here, this 17 millimeter. Okay, I got a 7 millimeter over here. I'm gonna grab the steering wheel. Okay, the bolt is released. Now we don't have to remove it all the way because it is kind of hard to pull the steering wheel off. So we're gonna wiggle and pull it a bit hard on it. So this nut will grab it, the steering wheel, to come off all the way in a sudden and break our wires and stuff. So let me do it. Okay. Yes. So the steering wheel is released. Now I'm going to remove this nut over here. And I'm going to lock my steering wheel. Now we can remove the steering wheel like this. I got 2 screws over here. Store it over here, and now we can just pry it or pull on it. This piece comes off completely, and you can just hold this one up, and with something like this, there is one little pin over here, one right over here. Okay, get this one's out. Okay, let me release the wires. One over here, and on this yellow one, you're gonna pull this back, and then it's gonna release itself. And also we can take off the clock spring now and remove this wire as well. Okay, that's the old one. So let's center it. So this is the end. We're gonna go, okay, 1, gonna go 2, 2.5, because it has 5 turns over here. And now we're gonna just place it like the old one. That's awesome. Now plug in the wires. This wire as well. Okay, once we put our clock spring in, we're gonna work on our cover over here. All right. Good. Oops. That's good. Now, our steering wheel was centered. I forgot to say that before. So we're gonna center our steering wheel before opening before taking off the steering wheel itself. So we're gonna center it back. All right, that's good. I'm gonna put the bolt back. I mean the nut. We give it a good torque. Okay, that's good enough. Now we're gonna plug in our wires. This one over here, this one over here, and we're gonna plug in our airbag. These two are color coded. This one's good. And the beep wire right over here. And now we have it in place and we push it forward. Okay, all good. Now we're gonna plug in the battery back again and see if the beep and the buttons are working. Okay, plugging in the battery. All right, now the battery is plugged in. Let's see if it's working. Yes, it does. Awesome. Thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.